Just arrived at my campsite in Moab. Didn't really know where I was going to end up. I'm pretty convinced I'm going to wake up and it's going to be so beautiful. I almost just stayed in Rifle, Colorado, which would have not been as beautiful. But it was like 2 hours away, and it's like 9 or 9:30 right now, Mountain Time, but I'm still living on East Coast time in my brain, so it's like it's 2 hours later. And I flew this morning for 4 hours and then did that car drive. So it's been a long day, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be worth it in the morning. Excited for my first night back in the tent in a while. And the weather's not that bad. The temp says it's like 80 degrees, but it feels really nice, low humidity. You know, when the sun's not out, obviously it's nicer anyhow. First night back, maybe the worst night I've had. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm not in my tent. The wind was just like unrelenting, and it's still so windy right now. And I'm glad I'm like waking up to this beautiful sight, but the wind was so much that it was just like rocking my vehicle, like even in my car here, rocking my vehicle around. So that was pretty brutal. I like put down my tent because everything was flapping so much. So today's my first full day in Moab. I'm just driving around some trails. This landscape is just insane. Different kind of off-road driving already, I've noticed, compared to Colorado. It's a lot of fun. I moved to a new area, made myself some coffee. Not windy here anymore. It's drizzling a little bit of rain, but that's okay. I got my cool new rain hat from Marcel, my friend. It's Gore-Tex, so it's like really nice for the sun and the rain. So that'll keep me pretty dry. I'm really excited. The other day when I was looking at the weather for Moab, you know, usually it's at 85 degrees during the day, but this week that I'm gonna be here, at least the first one, the high is gonna be in the 70s and the low is gonna be like 49. So it's gonna be like pretty awesome camping weather again. I'm really stoked on it.
Take the way. There's nothing you can be, and there's nothing else at all. Your sweater wraps your soul.
Cool, so Sam, Emily, and myself just made it to the top of the world, my two new friends. Got some spotting help up a gnarly obstacle. I didn't know it was going to be this crazy, and definitely one of the more prolonged, difficult trails I've done, but this is a sick payoff. I'm going to hang out here and work here tomorrow. Whew, that was wild. I'm scared of going down it by myself, but it's all good. I'm camping on the top of the world trail. This is that really hard one I just got up, and I thought I was just gonna hang out here for a night and go back down and then find another camp spot. But this has just been one of the most beautiful spots I've camped at yet. And I've camped up some amazing places. So I'm still hanging out here another night. You know, last night was a total juxtaposition to my first night in Moab. Last night there was no wind, temperature was in the 50s, so it was just amazing camping weather. No noise, no other people up here at all, so I had the place all to myself. It's been so nice up here. So I just been up here enjoying my coffee, you know, enjoying the views, working from this site, like looking over this vista back in front of me, and then also just the amazing cliffside with all the features and towers on the other side of this. So oh my gosh, it's been so sick. So I don't mind staying here. This is amazing. And this is only the second place I've been in Moab, and it's been insane. Love it.
straight ahead. All right, cut it passenger. Hard passenger. You're starting to drop down on your passenger front. Driver's front's coming down now. Yep, just hold driver. You'll be golden. Got one more step here in about 8 inches. About 2 foot. It's going to drop about a foot. There you go. All right, rear's coming down.
All right, I'm almost at the end of this trail. My gas light's on. I've only driven 74 miles since I filled up the tank. It says I have 3 miles of range. I'm pretty sure that I didn't just burn a full tank of gas going 70 miles. So I think it has something to do with how I'm going down this trail. Because when I parked to camp, it was at a half tank. So I think it's just because it's so scary. I'm just staring at this thing. I'm almost at the end of the trail though, which is sick. I was just really hoping not to run out of gas or have a leak or something, because that would ruin a lot of my plans. All right, so my strategy for now that my gas tank is at empty is I found a camp spot. I'm just gonna hang out here tonight. Look at this view, like not bad. Settle down, because I got stressed on the trail, like really stressed, honestly. I was gonna run out of gas. All right, I have a half tank of gas. Yes, I'm stoked. Didn't run out of gas. So my drawer wasn't opening. I figured out why. Because when I went off-roading, I guess the weight was too much and the bottom of the drawer disconnected from the drawer walls. So I can't pull my drawer out. My pry bar's in this drawer, like my tools. So I'm working on something. We're gonna try to maybe take the face of it off and see how that goes, and then take the things out. And it's all my tools, not my cooking stuff, thankfully, so it's not as bad, but annoying. Ugh. All right, I took the screws out of this thing, got the front off. I'm gonna unload this, see how this goes. All right, I took the things out of it. Now you can see I got the drawer out. Gotta clean this up. I'm gonna have to attach from the blow up probably to this. I might have to redesign this in the off season, because this is not doing it too good. Yeah, it's just a mess. I just have everything from the drawer out, so this sucks. But at least I have my Bluetooth speaker again working. All right, I threw a couple screws in, but it's definitely still not good enough. I don't know what I'm gonna do with putting weight back into this thing. I mean, it'll slide now, but I have to redo it. It's not gonna be very good.